Hello everyone. Today we will check Excel to Tally import of Amazon sales return. So first we'll open a software. First open application file. Here select the company in which you want to import the data. Currently I want to import the data in Excel Tally softwares. Then I'll prepare an Excel sheet for Amazon return. So we'll select Amazon return file. First clear your file, then click on open your file button to select Amazon sales return file. I have sales return file with me, so I'll just select that file here. Then I need to select a sheet from my file. Then I'll select Amazon return as my file. I provide a start row and end row. Now the end row is 60 and start row is 2. I'll give a start row 2, end row 60. Then I'll just click on start mapping button. As I do this, here the template will do the auto mapping for you. We have already done the mapping for all the e-commerce portals like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal and Myntra. If you want to make any changes in a mapping, you can make according to your requirement. Now just click on import data button to get a data from your file to the template without any manual copy pasting. Here got the data in Excel sheet file. Now Amazon every time gives a transaction type as a refund, but our Tally doesn't accept refund as a voucher type, so we'll give here voucher type as a credit note. And the name of a portal, though my portal is amazon.in, whatever name you can give here, Amazon or amazon.in or Amazon private limited, anything. Then we'll go next, we'll do the correction as we have already done in sales data. Same correction we have to do here also. After doing the correction, we'll go next, give the unit of measure PCS. Then after that, here you will get a button to create a GST ledgers. Just click on the button and get a already calculated SGST CGST according to state and GST report. Click on the button, select your state. My company state is Gujarat, so I'll just select Gujarat as a state. Here I can select any type of display ledger, so I'll select SCGST percentage wise and I click on the button create ledger. As I do this, here I'll get a SGST CGST calculation according to my state. Here you can see SGST CGST is calculated. So we'll check the state. If it is Gujarat, then only it is calculate SGST CGST. Here you can see it is Gujarat. That's why GST calculation button calculated SGST CGST. Now our file is ready. We'll just save this file. Go to the software. In a software e-commerce features, click on e-commerce MTR and select the same file. You can copy paste the path of file also. Just paste the path here and you will get a same file. Click on open, click on yes. Now it has started to import the data in a Tally. As I previously told you, first software will create all ledgers, all items. If the item and ledger are already exist in your Tally, then it will not create them again. It will work with that previous ledger and item only. Now you can see 23 entries were imported in Tally. Now we'll check the entries. These are our previous entries for sales. This is for credit note. Here you can see original invoice number also added, and all the details you can check here. Thank you for watching.